Hi guys, I am Putul and I am back with another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will share with you how to tie a mekhla chadar. Now, what is mekhla chadar? A mekhla chadar is a traditional Assamese dress which is worn like a sari, but it is not a sari. So, I will show you how to wear it, and also I will share you how to style it in 5 different ways. So, let's see how it goes. In a mekhla chadar, the bottom part is the mekhla. And the dupatta part is the chadar. It goes on the top. First, let's see how conventionally a mekhla chadar is worn. So I am taking it over my head. I'll start tucking from the sides. Tucking from the other side, making sure it is tight from the back. Now we'll make pleats just like a sari. We'll tuck it in. The pleats will be facing the right side. We'll arrange the pleats before tucking in from the top and from the bottom. After the pleats are in place, we'll tuck the fabric from behind. Now we'll take the chadar and we'll pleat the pallu. After arranging the pleats of the pallu, we'll place it on our left shoulder, keeping the length of the pallu as per our liking. Now taking the other end of the chadar, we'll wrap it around us and make triangular fold this way. We have to press with our hands so that these triangular folds stay in place. Now we'll tuck this in. Taking a safety pin, we'll secure the pallu. So this is our first style. Normally it is worn with a blouse, but here I am wearing it with a semi-sheer top. Now for the second look, we'll take this pallu and taking it from behind, we'll place it on our right shoulder. After arranging it properly, we'll secure it in place. Make sure it is even from the sides. After securing the pallu, our second look is ready. Now for the third look, I have changed my top into a short anarkali kurta. Taking the pallu again from behind and placing it on our right shoulder. We'll secure it in place. Keep in mind the pallu from behind is of a good length so that the kurti doesn't turn up. My third look is complete. Now for the fourth look. We'll be draping the mekhla a bit differently. So tucking it from one side, instead of taking big pleats, we'll tuck it from two sides and make small pleats this way, and tucking these pleats in. Keep in mind that the pleats should be even. We'll tuck the pleats from behind as well. Now we'll place the chadar on one of our shoulders, and this completes our fourth look. For the fifth look, I am taking this short jacket and wrapping the dupatta in my neck. The mekhla will be worn same way as in the fourth look. This completes my fifth and final look. Do let me know which one was your favorite. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.